Hey guys, people are always asking, is it okay to update my WordPress site? Now, there's a lot of things that have to be updated, the core WordPress files, your theme, and your plugins. And it's important to update everything, and that helps with security. Usually, updates are security bug fixes. So, it is important to update. But when is it a good time to do that? WordPress core, if there's one number and one decimal in the new version, for example, version 7.0, no, that's if you consider zero to be a number. That's a big no. That's a major update. If there are two numbers and one decimal in the new version, for example, 7.1, that's a big no. If there are three numbers and two decimals in the new version, for example, version 7.1.1, that's a yes. Or it could be 7.0.1. That's a yes. Three numbers, two decimals. Yes. That will be the version when they have fixed all the bugs in the previous major version. That's a minor update. Yes, you can update, and you should do that as soon as possible to avoid any kind of bugs or hacks or whatever that are going to affect the security of your website. Um, themes are usually okay to update right away. If you're using a paid theme that comes from a site like Invado, Creative Market, any of those that are not in the WordPress.org repository, I would use a staging site. Uh, those themes usually don't have a lot of updates, and so you want to be careful with those. So use a staging site. Plugins. This is a tricky one. Plugins can break your site because the code is being put together by all different people. There's no real rhyme or reason. You have to hope that the person that put together the update knows what they're doing and they're not going to break your site. Um, if you have a plugin that's a major plugin, you can see how many, if you just click on it, you can see how many installations it has, how many, the rating, and all that. So if it's got like over a million people are using it, and they're going to find bugs really fast. So those are okay to update. If you have some weird, crazy plugin, or you have a plugin that says it's been deprecated and no one is updating it anymore, or no one's looking at it anymore, be careful with those. So, and if you uh, update all your plugins and your site goes down, and you'll know immediately because you'll get that white screen of death that will have some random uh, error code on it, and you can't get back into your site. You have to go through your host. That way you have to go into your file manager and the cPanel and all that stuff, and you have to deactivate all the plugins and then start over again. So you may want to just contact your host and say, I updated all my plugins and my site broke. So they can go in and deactivate them for you, or they can show you how to do it. So my best advice is make a staging site, update on there, make sure everything is not going to break, and then you can just push that staging site live, or you can just go in to your live site and update things. Okay, thanks, bye.